Greetings, and welcome to the Voyager Search Open Data Network, also known as ODN. Here you can easily search for useful geospatial and non-geospatial data, run deep learning and GeoAI models on the data you find, analyze and display information in highly configurable dashboards, and much more. Let's dive in to go over the various features, content, and search capabilities so you can better find the information you need. There are over 200 million items that have been indexed so far from various open sources around the world across geographies, geospatial data providers like USGS, NASA, Planet Labs, and Maxar, and across sectors such as academia, government, organization, industry, and much more. This is the Voyager Search ODN Catalogue landing page, where you can see two search bars, one for the type of data you're looking for and the other for the location. As a use case example, let's say that I am working in disaster management and I would like to search for imagery in the city of Lahaina in Maui, Hawaii, which had experienced one of the deadliest wildfires and even disasters in U.S. history. I'm going to type wildfire in the left search bar and Lahaina in the right search bar, keeping that search parameter to within. You can scroll through the results, see how many items are available on the top left-hand side, and also expand your query with related keywords to refine your search. When you find the content that you want, you can select the item and view the metadata, which can include source links, download links for things like imagery or tabular data, as well as information on when the data was created or acquired, who created it, and what format it's in. Under the Tools drop-down, you can download the item, along with other options like flagging the item, where you can tag it with symbols and text. Here we will add this item to our cart. When you open the cart, you can assign certain tasks on the content that can include running compatible GeoAI models, creating a list of saved searches, as well as automatically generating a presentation. Here I will just use the zip files option to download a compressed version of the imagery I selected, name the file, and then run the task. Now you have downloaded useful imagery of an area of interest for further use. Next, we will navigate back to the landing page where you can see saved recent searches you make based on the keywords used as well as parameters for search tools. Below the two search boxes, you can view your own saved searches as well as ones that are featured within the catalog. You can also view all the saved highlighted searches by clicking the Save button on the top right-hand side of the page next to your cart. There are several saved searches that you can look through that have useful items such as imagery for things like disaster events, public health tabular datasets, ArcGIS content like web maps, feature layers, and dashboards, and even hydrological charting for flood risk analysis, just to name a few. You'll select one of the featured saved searches. Let's go with Hurricane Milton Showcase that provides imagery and other related data on areas in Florida that were damaged by Hurricane Milton, which was one of the most powerful hurricanes ever recorded in the Atlantic Basin. Under the Actions drop-down, you can choose between options like analyzing the results of your search and even create a short link to easily share the results with others. In the Sort drop-down, you can sort the results by relevance to your keywords, acquisition or creation date of the item, name of the item, and even the cloud cover percentage to more easily find clear satellite imagery that's not obstructed by the cloud cover. Lastly, you also have the ability to view the side panel of results in various formats, like the map option, the cart option, which is the default, or the grid option, which allows you to view more imagery of other items at once, being able to view key metadata, and also add the item to your cart by hovering over the thumbnail. Lastly, we will navigate back once more to the landing page to show how you can use another easy but powerful search tool to find the geospatial or related non-geospatial data that you're looking for. This time we will use the search box. First, click on the map behind the search bar and your cursor will change by default to a crosshair, where you can draw a rectangular bounding box around an area of interest. You can also click on the square icon to choose other geometries for selecting a region of the map that you'd like to find data for. As an example, we will look at the region within and around Valencia, Spain, which had recently experienced a catastrophic flood that left much of the city and its people in a humanitarian crisis, leaving billions of dollars in potential damages. I will draw a bounding box around the city of Valencia and the surrounding area, click on the search button, and see that I have gotten many results that are geotagged within the search box. Another way to refine my search is to use the Filters panel located on the upper left. Here you can view a variety of filters through the data pipelines that are created from our wide range of data sources. You can select data based on the theme, geography, agency or organization, year, as well as specific events. Here I will select the events filter and find the recent flood event. You can instantly see the results of the event and select the desired imagery, view its metadata, download the imagery, view the source of the data, and run analysis or GeoAI models if the data is compatible. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope that this video was helpful in teaching you how to better use Voyager Search. Now let's get searching.